Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 23rd. Market analysis. Geopolitical conflicts have intensified. The United States attacked Iran's nuclear facilities at the end of the weekend, and the risk aversion has warmed up last time. On Monday, the Asian market opened higher in early trading, but then it fell all the way, and the market bulls did not continue. Market investors believe that the current situation is still under control, and the war may remain in a small range. At present, the spot gold market fluctuates among communities, and the current trading volume is around $3,358 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.51 to $33.68, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,368 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.78 to $33.88. If the afternoon market breaks 3,351 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.41 to $33.31. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1452 and 1.1508, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1508 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1560 to 1.1590. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1452 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1400 to 1.1360. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a main upward mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3394 to 1.3441. If the market breaks 1.3441 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3490 to 1.3530. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3394 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3350 to 1.3300. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in the shock stage, and the shock range is 0.6397 to 0.6448. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6448 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6490 to 0.6530. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6397 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6330 to 0.6300. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in the main rising mood. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 146.35 to 147.15. If the market breaks 147.15 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 147.60 to 147.90. If the afternoon market breaks 146.35 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 145.80 to 145.30. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.